Hello ladies and gents, welcome. Today I'm going to turn this Wych Elm. I've just recently purchased it and I've never turned Wych Elm before, so that's why I wanted to show you guys. It has a really nice grain. There's a dark shade between them, so I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful once we're done. There is some burrs here which I would have liked it to be there, but it will be turned out, some of it at least. But that's because on the back here I had a pith here with a crack, so I've put my inside the bowl this side, so I would turn that away. But I don't want that on the rim of the bowl, so it's not good. Sometimes you gotta sacrifice, you know, the good part for the sake of the whole piece. So yeah, let's get to it. I don't want this video to be too long, so Okay guys, I just finished buffing it up. I used a chestnut buffing system and I buffed it. It's such a lovely wood. Check these grains guys. I will post some pictures at the end. But yeah, this is lovely wood. And I enjoyed turning it. It was really nice to turn it, just like normal elm, but this has a much more interesting grains, and the contrast between light and darker grain makes it so much more interesting when you're turning. And it does, this piece does have some spalting going on as well. I've put so much shine to it. It's hard to see the wood, but I'll make sure you can see it at the end in the pictures. There's some spalting here as well, and I believe there is one more here. If you focus, I'll show it later. But I managed to keep some of the burrs on the side, and I just wanted to point out for you guys who look for a bowl blank, make sure, you know, when you're looking for them, if you want to, if a piece has a burrs on it and it's on the edges, most likely you're going to turn that away. Either little bit of it going to be left on the rim like mine, or on the back where you're gonna curve it up and it will be turned away. So make sure it's right about in the middle, so you could have it on the bottom of the bowl and on the back. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and when I do, I will do a giveaway. I will turn something special, and I will do a giveaway to anywhere in the world. I will post it myself. So if you don't mind, help me out, you know. Thank you all for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next video.